This is a symbolic gesture. Obviously this is a very small component compared to much larger sums which have been wasted with Parliament not functioning. And not like I have disrupted Parliament. In my 16 years, I have never disrupted Parliament. And separately, I have been campaigning for reforming Parliament rules so that it can function better. But in the meantime, we can't just, it's unconscionable to receive all these benefits and not do something about it. So this is my symbolic gesture. I'm fortunate that I can afford to return it. And some colleagues are saying that that should not apply to everybody else. I agree. I am no one to impose my conscience on other people. Each person has to make their own decision based on their own economic situation and their own conscience. And also they have a point that many of my colleagues have also not disrupted Parliament, and they ask why should they be penalized. So I completely agree with them that this is an individual choice.